I've been doing lots of catching up with all my videos. I had a ton of clips just sitting in my phone, and it was such a pain to organize them. In all honesty, I feel like this past month sums up how I have been feeling for the first half of the year. It's this constant feeling of playing catch up and feeling overwhelmed, and when I finally feel like I have some control, something else will happen to railroad everything. It's also this feeling of wanting to do so many things but not being able to start them. It's feeling defeated, tired, and sometimes holding a very negative attitude with thoughts like, why even bother? I was talking about this struggle to Q the other day, and we were going through all the unfortunate things that happened in the first half of the year, and it's been a lot emotionally. And now we're just both very eager to turn things around as we head into the second half of 2026. There are a lot of things I've been up to. First things first, we celebrated Q's birthday. The unfortunate part was that I had guest dogs, and so we couldn't celebrate properly and instead did take out and celebrate it at home. Because Q's birthday falls during the summer, we've been celebrating it this way for many years now because I have always had to work. I wanted to make it special for him and decided to make him a cake. Now, in my mind, it came out much better, but I couldn't help but feel as though I made his birthday worse with this brownie cookie cake monstrosity. But Q has a very kind heart, and when he saw the cake, he immediately said, "I love it." I really envy his optimism. It's really one of his greatest traits. A little Moose update. Unfortunately, Moose tested positive for UTI again. We had to wait a week to figure out if it was the same strain of E. coli that never resolved or if it was a new strain. After what felt like forever, we were told that it was actually a new strain and that there was an oral antibiotic he could take, which the strain was susceptible to. I had actually wanted this option because I couldn't imagine going back to giving him shots twice daily for what could have been up to 4 weeks. Along with Moose's UTI infection, we were also told that his liver value was even higher than before and was now in a very concerning range. Right now, we are currently at the very end of his antibiotic treatment, and we have been giving him Denamarin every day for his liver.
sempre chorando.